So how to select strong cooperatives, okay? So itong pag-select natin ng strong cooperatives, madalas nyo na itong naririnig sa akin, yung Co-op Pesos score, di ba? But I will give this to you now in detail, okay? So ano ba yung Co-op Pesos? How do we select strong co-ops? So ito yung aking co-op investing rules. So dapat at least 10 years in existence na yung kooperatiba, pagmamay-ari nila yung kanilang headquarters, at greater than 80 points yung kanilang Co-op Pesos score. Oh. Sir Vince, ano ba yung Co-op Pesos na yan na lagi mong sinasabi kapag pipili ng kooperatiba? So ang Co-op Pesos score, ito ay isang sistema to ensure, or evaluation siya, to ensure the protection of cooperative members and the viability and sustainability of cooperatives. So ito primarily is a supervisory and regulatory tool, para sa gobyerno na ma-regulate niya yung mga kooperatiba, at isa rin itong management tool, di ba? So management tool, which means gagamitin ng nag-ooperate ng kooperatiba to improve their operations. And if they're all able to improve their operations, mapoprotektahan yung mga members natin. Okay? Yung Co-op Pesos, of course, this is an acronym, At ito ay mag-equivalent sa 100 points, Or 100 points siya. So, yung Co-op, which will form 20% of the whole grade, so 80% yung pesos na score, 20% yung Co-op. Ano yung Co-op? So yung Co-op is compliance with administrative and legal requirements, yan yung C. O is for organizational structure and linkages. And then O is operation and management. And P ay plans and programs. So yun yung distribution niya, 4, 5, 8, and then 3. So pag in-add mo yan, that will add up to 20%. So i-evaluate yung kooperatiba in this area. So marami yan. So compliance with administrative and legal, for example, or nagko-comply ba siya with the minimum wage requirement? Wala ba siyang binaviolate sa DOLE? Nagbabayad ba siya ng tax sa BIR? Nagre-remit ba siya ng mga withholding taxes? So, lahat ng yon, So, tapos titingnan din yung operations and management. Meron ba silang manuals? Pinapatupad ba nila? Meron ba silang minutes ng meetings? So, lahat yun may mga checkmark, no? Okay, so yan yung co-op. And then we have the pesos score, which is the financial side, no? So, 80% naman nung grade ito. So, P stands for portfolio quality, and then efficiency, yung E. S is for stability, O is for operations, and S is for the structure of assets. So, 2016, 24, 8, and 12%. Yan. Pag in-add mo, 80%. So, co-op, 20% plus pesos, 80%, that would equal 100% or 100 points. Tapos, ang rating, kapag 96 to 100 points, very good yan. Kapag good ka, 90 to 95 points. And then fair, 80 to 89 points. And then poor, 70 to 79 points. And then very poor ay below 70 points. So nandito tayo sa fair, yung tinitingnan natin. Dapat at least minimum 80 points, yung tinitingnan natin dyan. So ano yung challenge dito sa pagkuha ng Co-op Pesos score? Kinakandak kasi dapat ito ng Cooperative Development Authority sa kanilang official audit. Pero dahil kulang sa tao ang CDA, hindi talaga siya na gagawa, So it's not regularly conducted. So, pero kapag nagawa siya, dinideclare siya ng kooperatiba doon sa kanilang audited financial statements for that year, kung ano yung kanyang Co-op Pesos score. So, dahil wala, hindi nakakandak, tayo yung gagawa, ourselves. So, tayo sa SEDP, when we invest in the cooperatives, we make sure na tinitingnan natin yung Co-op Pesos scores ng mga ito. Tayo yung nagko-compute mismo, hindi na yung sa CDA. Okay? So, yun. Para hindi na kayo mahirapan, kung gusto ninyo na tumingin ng mga kooperatiba na na malalaki at mga strong, you can scan this code or go to bit.ly/topcoops at makikita ninyo per province ano yung top 3 cooperatives, no? So, puntahan natin yan, Miss. Ayan, lagay natin bit.ly/top co-ops. Sana mabilis yan. O yan. Top co-ops in the Philippines. So makikita nyo na, Abra, 1, 2, 3. O yan na yung mga ano niya, no? Agusan del Norte. O kung punta mo dito, o yan, Bulacan. O mga taga Bulacan dyan. O yan yung mga malalaki dyan. Dinagat Islands. O ayan. Meron ding sa Manila, ito, CCT Credit Cooperative nandiyan pala siya, no. Parañaque, 'di ba? So lahat na 'yan meron, hanggang sa Sulu, hanggang sa Zamboanga, Sibugay. Okay? So makikita nyo na siya, meron na 'yan. So you just um, go to bit.ly/topcoops or scan this. Tapos yun, magpa-member na kayo kung gusto ninyo, no? Hoy, pero of course, this is not an endorsement, ha? This is at your own risk. Nirank ko lang ano yung mga malalaking kooperatiba per province para meron kayong, hindi na kayo mahirapan maghanap. Okay? So, yeah. Ako si Sir Vince, ang inyong financial guru, nagsasabing ang pagyaman ng pag-aaralan at kapag tutulungan.